Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
So far, we have discussed formatting entire selected report objects. But note that it is also possible to format only part of a text object within a report. For example, you could apply the bold formatting to a word within a report title, even if the entire title is enclosed in a single text object. To select just part of the text within a text object, you must double-click the text object which contains the text that you want to format. That will place the text object into edit mode, where you can view the insertion marker inside of the text object. At that point, click and drag over the text which you want to format independently of the other text within the text field to select it. To then apply formatting to the selected text, you can click the buttons that are available in the formatting toolbar, or you can simply right-click the selection that you have made and then choose the text formatting command from the pop-up menu that appears. You can then apply any changes that you would like by using the text format dialog box, and then click the OK button when you're finished to view the changes that you've applied. Once you are finished editing the text within the selected text object, click into the blank area of the report to deselect the object.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.